Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Knowledge Asset. In this video, I will discuss about the topic time and work. In the previous video, we have learned about the problems which are under based on positive work. I hope you are all clear with that. Now in this video, we will look after based on negative work. What are the problems asked under based on positive work? So for doing these problems, we have to take a consideration that two or more persons are working simultaneously. But one person is distracting the work. Okay, two or more persons are working simultaneously. ఇద్దరు కలిసి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు, కానీ అందులో ఒక పర్సన్ అనేవాళ్ళు మనకి డిస్ట్రక్షన్ వర్క్ అనేది చేస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, whereas here in based on positive work, two or more persons are working simultaneously only, but here one fellow is distracting the work. So this is the main consideration to be taken in based on negative work problem. Let us solve a problem. The example, let us take two persons A and B can fill the tank in 60 and 75 minutes respectively. That means A can fill the tank in 60 minutes and B can fill the tank in 75 minutes. Suppose this is a tank, this is A and this is B. A can fill the tank in 60 minutes and B can fill the tank in 75 minutes individually. And there is also an outlet here. Suppose let us think there is a tap. And C can empty the tank. Okay, there is an outlet. C can empty the tank. If A, B and C, A, B and this is C are opened at once, the tank A, B, C మూడు ఒకటేసారి ఓపెన్ చేసినట్లయితే ట్యాంక్ అనేది A ప్లస్ B ప్లస్ C మూడు ఒకటేసారి మనకి ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇదేం చేస్తుంది, ఫిల్ చేస్తుంది, ఇది కూడా ఫిల్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఏ ఫిల్ చేస్తుంది, B ఫిల్ చేస్తుంది, C అనేది emptying the tank. So A plus B minus C is equal to 50. మూడు ఒకటేసారి ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు ట్యాంక్ అనేది 50 మినిట్స్లో ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నౌ హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ విల్ C take to empty the full tank? A can fill in 60 minutes, B can fill in 75 minutes. And how much time did C take to completely empty the tank? This is the question. Let us try to solve the problem. Now, solving this problem first by per day approach. Hope you are familiar with the per day approach method. Now, solving this.
We knew that in per day approach, the amount of work to be taken is considered as 1 unit. Okay, it is also said in the previous videos.
Per day approach. Part of the tank అనేది A ఇండివిజువల్గా ఫిల్ చేయడానికి 1 మినిట్లో A అనేది ఎంత పార్ట్ ట్యాంక్ని ఫిల్ చేస్తుంది? The part of the tank that can be filled by pipe A in 1 minute. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 60. 1 minute. 1 ఈ పార్ట్లో టోటల్ ఎంత 60 minutes. Next, the part of the tank that can be filled by B in 1 minute is equal to 1 minute by how much time? 75 minutes it takes to completely fill the tank. 1 by 75. Next, the part of the tank that can be filled by both A and B in 1 minute. A plus B in 1 minute is equal to how much time? 75, 60. That is 1 by 60 plus 1 by 75. Adding these both, because these are the values of A in 1 minute and tab B in 1 minute. So 1 by 60 plus 1 by 70 gives 3 by 100. Now when A, B and C, all the three taps are opened together, then the part of the tank to be filled in 1 minute is equal to 1 by 50. When all three taps are open, it takes 1 by 50 part in 1 minute. According to the problem. Now, according to the problem, what they asked, how much time that does C take to completely empty the tank? Okay, this is the question. Now, how much time did C take? For this we have to do total A plus B 1 by A plus. For 1 minute we have to calculate 1 by A plus 1 by B minus of 1 by C, because 1 by A, 1 by B can fill the tank and the C can empty the tank. So that is equal to 1 by 50. ఇదేంటి ABC మూడు ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి 1 మినిట్లో 1 by 50th పార్ట్ అనేది ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి మనం C ఎంత టైంలో ఫిల్ చేస్తుంది అనేది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడం కోసం సమ్ ఆఫ్ A ప్లస్ B, సమ్ ఎందుకు A అండ్ B ఏం చేస్తున్నాయి, ఫిల్ చేస్తున్నాయి, మైనస్ మనకి 1 by C ఎంటీ చేసేది ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టోటల్ టైం. ఇక్కడ నుంచి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినట్లయితే C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వి విల్ గెట్ 100. దట్ 1 by A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 60 ప్లస్ 1 by 75 మైనస్ 1 by C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 50. We will get C is of 100. That is C takes 100 minutes to empty the tank. Okay, hope you all clear with this per day approach. Next we'll look after efficiency approach. Efficiency approach. In efficiency approach, the total amount of work to be completed is taken as 100%. This is also explained in the previous video. Once check out the previous videos, you will come to a conclusion that amount of work to be taken is equal to 100% in efficiency approach. Now, efficiency of A tap to fill the tank is equal to total amount of work by how much time it takes to complete fill the tank, 60. That is equal to 1.67%. And efficiency of B tap to completely fill the tank is 100 by 75. That is equal to 1.33% per minute. These are calculated per minute. Now, let us calculate their combined efficiency. Okay, combined efficiency. Now let us calculate. How to calculate the combined efficiency means, we already knew that from question C, A plus B minus C. When A, B and C taps are opened, it takes 50 minutes to fill the tank. Okay, this is the combined efficiency. Now the efficiency combinedly is gives as combined efficiency. This is gives 1 by 50, 100 by 50, because amount of work to be done is 100 by 50 minutes is equal to 2% per minute. This is the combined efficiency. Now let us try to solve the problem. Efficiency of E, A, B, C is equal to 2%, combined efficiency. Now we know that A, B and C values we have to calculate. Total efficiency is 2%. Now what is the value of efficiency A? 1.67 plus B is 1.33 minus C is equal to 2%. C is equal to, we will get as 1% per minute. Okay, this is not the C value, 1% per minute. Now how to calculate the C value? Efficiency of C we will get as 100% by, here per minute, 1% per minute is equal to 100 minutes. Okay, so from this we can say that in per day approach and efficiency approach the solution is same, 100 minutes here, and in previous approach, per day approach was also 100 minutes. Okay guys, now I hope you have understood the topic, that is based on negative work in time and work topic. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment section. Hope you all enjoyed the session. Thanking you for watching. Thank you.